equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged. Remove the dustbin and set it aside. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Carefully unscrew them and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the battery away from the main body. Take a moment to clean the internal area with your cloth. This helps maintain performance. Now, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors. Push it firmly into place until you hear a click. Reinsert the screws to secure the battery. Remember, if you need assistance, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. For your convenience, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple service. Finally, always request a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Your Dyson V8 is now ready for action. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.